3, 2, 1, begin. So, the first game in the 6th week, the third game in the 5th week got delayed because we didn't have time to play the match. But this is the 6th week, and the first game of this week, and it is goal kick for Deadlock. Deadlock versus Metal. And it says that to make it 1-0, he does.
Only 1-0?
Yeah, it just started.
I thought it was 10-0 or something.
Essen scores the first goal and gives them the lead to make it 1-0. So it's kickoff and almost Rian starts. It's Omar. Oh, what a goal! 1-1! They're fighting in the battle of relegation. They have to win this game to stay alive in the Champions League. Will they be able to qualify in the finals of this Champions League? We'll see after 4 weeks. Oh, Imad! It's Essen! And he makes it 2-1! Deadlock takes the lead once again! And now, it's 2-1. So it started. It's Umar. Can he equalize it? Oh, Essen tries to go from full court and it's out. It's Umar. Oh, what a goal! It's 2-2! And now, again, he's equalized it. Essen scored, then Umar scored. Now Essen scored again. Then Umar has scored again. 2-2. It's Essen now. It's kickoff. Hamza starts. Essen. Oh, it's Essen. And oh, what an early reply. It's 3-2. He scored a hat-trick. It's his 65th goal in this Champions League. 65th. Oh, skies are high. And it's 3-2. It's goal kick. Oh, Riyaj! Oh, important one by Essen. Riyaj almost scored a goal over there. It's Umar. Can he equalize it? Can he score a hat-trick? Umar. Oh, absolutely stunning. Umar with a hat-trick. Carrying Riyaj all the way. It's 3-3. Yellow card.
Yeah, yellow card.
For starting early because the referee didn't whistle.
No, first time. There was a time to get good.
Oh, what a save by Ahmed.
And go in the middle.
Oh, what a pass to Riyaj. Oh, what was that finish? Riyaj cannot finish at all. And he gives it to Umar. It's Umar. Oh, what a block. And Umar for the rebound. And it's out. It's corner. Start. It's Umar. Oh, Essen. It's Essen. Great chance to make it 4-3. Can he make it 4-3? Yes, he does. It's 4-3 now. Essen scores his fourth goal in this game. So Kam is playing for Mythical Dudes because, always Mythical Dudes. Because Mythical Dudes always plays like Hamza and Imad. It's Umar. What a pass to Rian. Oh, that was a good one. And oh, what a goal! It's 4-4. Omar has equalized it again.
When I saw the shot, I thought it was going out.
It's a beautiful goal by Omar. And now it's 4-4.
I'll give him yellow card.
Rian pressing on Essen. But Essen finds it out funny. Oh, what a skill. And what, oh, wow. And it's Riyaj. It's Riyaj. Can he score? Wow, what a shot. What a beautiful shot by Riyaj.
You have any shame? Why were you thinking of joining the goal?
Oh, what a shot. And that might be it. And it's a goal. It's 5-4. Essen scores another goal. It's Umar.
Give Mythical Dudes just one game.
Oh, no, what a goal. 5-5. This game is so far a good game for Mythical Dudes.
Not for Riyaj. No, some of you even
Oh, what a save.
Umar is carrying you.
And Hamza. Goal kick.
Are you okay?
And it's goal. Oh, so close. But it's goal. It's 6-5 now. So from now onwards, he's the manager for Mythical Dudes. And it's now Umar.
Shoot! Shoot! You can't go in the middle!
Oh, what a goal! 6-6! Absolutely stunning! Umar carrying Mythical Dudes like always. 6 goals for him. Using his body and he's lost the ball and Umar with a beautiful save. It's not out. Oh, Umar! Can he score? Yes, he can! 7-6! Absolutely stunning! Absolutely stunning! Now they're leading. Assassin.
Body him!
Oh. Oh, 7-7! Now they're equal. Deadlock has equalized against Mythical Dudes. Hassan. Hassan.
Body him! पूरी body use करो ना उसके ऊपर.
Oh, 8-6! It's 8-7 actually, and now they're just too good.
Body him!
Started.
Umar, shoot!
Summer.
Shoot! I dare you! Riyad, go middle!
Oh my God! 8-8! Stunning! Over! Wow! What a performances! One of the best individual performances in the Champions League so far. Started.
Come, पूरी body use करो, पूरी body यार, use your foot.
Yeah, wait.
Use it, yes, come, तुम भी तो जाओ. Yes.
Oh,
Hey, what foul?
what foul? No foul. And assassin. Oh, 9-8. Hassan scores another goal. He scores his 71st goal in this Champions League. The numbers keeps on going high. So it started Umar.
Shoot, let's go middle, I told you.
Ooh, so close. No goal. It's 9-8. Hassan needs one more goal, 2 minutes. How kickoff? Hey, foul. Free kick. It's not kickoff. It's not even a goal. It's yellow card to Ahmed for coming out of the D. Omar to do one of the best. Can he equalize it for the 9th time in this game? No, he can't. And Hassan! Oh, can he? Easy save for Omar. Omar. Yeah. Omar. And Omar takes it again. Oh, God! 9-9! Omar! One more goal to win the second game in the Champions League. It might sound... They've only won one game. Yeah, they've only won one game in this Champions League. It sounds shocking, but it isn't. Oh, Riyad! Hassan! Oh, Hassan! For the win! Hassan! Omar! It's Omar! Oh, can he do it for Mythical Dudes? Wait. VR if it's a handball. VR. It's hand? Okay. Penalty! It's a penalty for Mythical Dudes! To make it history! Can he win it against Deadlock? Can he do it? One of the best moments for Omar in his career.
As soon as he shoots, run front.
Omar! Goal! He's won it! He's won it! 10-9! Mythical Dudes have won the second game in the Champions League! Man of the match, of course, Omar! The best player in this game! Wow!
Let's go.
What a way to say one man versus the whole team!